Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I have this problem. It's called add to array from integer, array form of integer. We have array form of integer num in an array representing its digits in left to right order. For example, for nums 1, 3 to 1, the array from 1, 3 to 1. Okay, so this is array form if this we have this num. Okay, so given num, the array form of the integer and an integer k returned, the array form of integer num plus k. So basically if we have this num, it will be an array, and we have k, we will just add both of them together. So 100 plus 34, it should be 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. And exactly the same here, we have 274 and 181, and if we add them together we have 455. So the way we could solve this problem, we have two ways. We have one way is to just loop and try to loop twice and try to figure out how we can just put each number, and maybe we can just track put it from the end and just track for each last number, and we have one more, we just carry it for the next, and things like that. And I guess this problem could be solved, but however, the key to solve this problem, if you know the module operator, this is the key to solve this problem in the best way. So I will just put the code. If you don't understand it, just don't rush it out. I will just describe the code. Let us together. So I will just let res, it will equals an array, and I will return this res. And what do we think about them? I will have let carry, and you will understand why this one is quite essential and important. And I will let I, this I will use to loop, and I will start from the last. So it will be num dot len -1, and I will say let and I guess I will do while loop, okay, and I will make while I is bigger than or equal 0, or sorry, or k is bigger than 0, or carry is bigger than 0. So we have some array called sum, value called sum, and this will be for each element in the array. So let sum will equals carry for now, and I will describe why we have carry. And I will say we have let's just say that if, okay, if you look at this one, each element, it equals its nums of I, and we add another number to it. If you look at this one, like this 4, it equals 4, and we add another number to it. For this one we add 1. For this one we have 0, it's equals 0, and we add a number for it, which is 4. For this one we have 5, and we add a number for it, which is 6. However, 5 and 6 is bigger than 10, so we just add 1, and we just carry the other one in and put it with the other to the next. So first of all, the thing that we know, that each nums of I, it's represented by, it has nums of I plus something. So I will say that if I bigger than or equals 0, sum plus equals num of I. So if I have if I can find any element in the array yet, I will just add the nums of I to sum. Okay, And I will just say another thing, and this one will be the number that we add. If k bigger than 0, sum will plus or equals k or what. So let's just look at this one. So in k we add what? In the last element we add 4, right? In this one we start from the last, we add 1. In this one we add 6, so we only add the last element. So how we can get the last element? It will be k modded by 10. So the thing that if k equals 17, so k modeled by 10, it will give me 7. If k equals 108 or 181, it will equals 1. Things like that. So I will say k will equals math dot floor k divided by 10. Why we do that? Because okay, we added 4, we don't need to have 4 again. We want to delete this 4 and we want to start to continue to work with 3. So let's continue, and I will say okay, so I will do res dot unshift. It will be sum again modeled by 10, because we want only the last one. And let's see that we have, for this example, that we have 5 and 6 equals 11. So we have, it's more than 10. It's more than 9, to be honest. It's more than 9. So we can just put it. We should carry this value and put it to the next. So we want to see the next, we will carry this value and put it to the next. So I will just say carry equals math dot floor sum divided by 10 I minus minus. And the carry's position, or the most important thing, the carry, we use that when we have a numbers more than 9, that would just put carry to be in the next loop. So let's just walk through this solution to make sure that you understand it. So first of all, we start at, let's just take this example because it's the easiest one. So we start at 4. Okay, we add 4 to sum. So sum right now has 4. Okay, and we take the last one from k. So k will equals 1, and 1 plus k is 5. So sum will equals 5. So first of all, we take the last element from k. So k equals 18 instead of 181. And sum, it will be unshifted modded by 10. So, and sum equals 5. So sum modded by 10, it will equals 5. And we have carry sum divided by 10. And sum is equal 5, and sum divided by 10, it's equals half. And we just to go I minus minus, and we just try to continue on this journey. So it's a pretty easy, straightforward. If you know the modeled operator, and how we use it, it's pretty easy to solve this problem. Otherwise, we have to create a lot of while loops. I have to track a lot, and it will be quite hard to do. So this is the most easiest way to fix it. It's the more efficient way. So that's it for this video. I hope my solution was quite good, and if you like my content, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video, and give me a thumbs up, and see you in future problems.